Hello, our today's topic is from execution bucket. The topic title is step by step, first thing first, split in steps. Let us start with a simple example. Say we want to prepare a tea. First, we decide the type of tea. Is it plain tea, black tea, masala tea, or green tea? Then we gather needed ingredients. Then we prepare and so on. There are two notable aspects here. First, based on prior knowledge, we determine the steps and their sequence. Next, we follow these steps. After every step, we pause and check if the step is done correctly. Easy to understand and follow, right? But many times, we have a tendency to do things in random or ad hoc fashion, sometimes even out of sequence, and sometimes all at once. But doing that way with serious or important tasks or tasks that deserve proper attention, it could lead to failures or unwanted results or very different results than expected. For example, during software test, few steps fail, few steps works. People start fixing things which are easy to fix, or few people start focusing on things which interest them. They tend to jump to conclusions rather than checking each step properly. 80-90% of the problems fall under these category. So always follow step by step. What is the moral? Moral is determine the steps and the sequence and do it step by step. Check at every step. If you want to discuss more on this point, contact me at this number. Thank you.